Hi, and welcome to RCSP Florida. This is just a quick video to show you what was going to be a longer video, but I had audio issues that I could not overcome, so I trashed the long version, but wanted to show you the photos anyway. This is the tiny flower of a weed I found in my backyard. I used 26 millimeters of extension tubes on my A7R3 to capture the image. I placed a dime in the second photo to show you how tiny this flower really is. If you go to the end of the video, I will introduce you to my cat, Sweetie. She is a long-haired calico semi-feral cat that we started taking care of about 3 years ago. We are trying to get her to be an inside cat, but that has proven to be a real challenge, but we haven't given up. Thanks for watching. This is my cat, Sweetie. She's basically a feral cat that we've kind of taken a liking to. I love calico cats. She's a beautiful cat. And we've kind of been taking care of her for about 3 years. She comes in when she wants to, a lot of times, and sleeps inside at night, but when the weather's good, she likes to be outside. She's a beautiful cat, long-haired calico. And she just walked up just as I turned the camera off, so I thought I would turn it back on and show you my kitty cat. She is a beautiful little girl, aren't you? Yes, yes. Bye-bye.